Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix AirDrop failed on iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure that both devices are compatible with unlock on your iPhone. AirDrop won't work if the screen is locked. Next, turn on the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth. And AirDrop needs both to be function properly. Then open the control center and press and hold the network panel and make sure that AirDrop is set to everyone or contacts only. If it still fails, turn airplane mode on and off to reset your connection. Another fix is to restart both iPhones to clear temporary glitches. You can also check the personal hotspot, make sure it's turned off because it can interfere with the AirDrop. If you're having issues, go to the settings and click General and select the transfer or reset iPhone. Reset and click the reset network settings. And finally, make sure that both devices are close to each other. AirDrop works best within few meters. And that's it. That's how you fix AirDrop failed issues on iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.